Hello students, welcome all of you to study at home. Today we will discuss poem 3 Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda from textbooks Flamingo class 12. About the poet. The name of poet is Neftali Ricardo Reis Bosolto and pen name is Pablo Neruda. He was born in Parral, Chile on July 12, 1904 and died on September 23, 1973. Pablo Neruda was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1971. He was once called the greatest poet of the 20th century in any language, and he also wrote 20 love poems and a song of despair. The theme of the poem Keeping Quiet. In the poem we will find three aims, three themes: introspection, environment, universal brotherhood. Explanation of the poem. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden stillness. In this poem, the poet asks people to count numbers from 1 to 12. Now we will count to 12. The poet asks people to count number from 1 to 12. It means we must hear all the citizens of the world. This is the earth and these are the citizens of the earth. So, poet asks count to 12 in the ascending number. And then we will all keep still. We will be silent. Here the poet used number 12 because the number 12 represents the hours of the day or the 12 month. So the poet used here 12. For once on the face on the earth. Face means here surface. For once on the face of the earth, all the citizens, all the persons who are living on the surface of the earth, not speak any language. All the persons should not speak any language because language is the barrier. Because there are many languages in the world. Latin, French, Hindi, English, Canadian. So, and it is very difficult to understand each other language. So, the poet asks the people, don't speak any language. Let's stop for 1 second. And after the counting of 12, we should stop once and not move our arms so much. Arms means here activity. We should not do any activity. We should be here silent. Only keep silent. It would be an exotic moment. The silence will be a unique moment because it is the first times on the earth. Without rush, without engines. There will be no sound of any machinery and there will be sound of no running of the people, and there will be a complete silence, and this is a unique moment on the earth. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness, and this time all the citizens of the world will be together, and there will be a strangeness, there will be a stillness. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Here, poet asks, the fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Whales is a fish, and the fish is going to wipe out of the sea. So the poet asks the people, asks the fishermen not catch the whales. And the men gathering salt, and those persons who are gathering the salt, and they to earn the money, they should also stop gathering the salt and doing this work. Doing this work, they are also hurting their hands, but they ignore it because they are very selfish and they want only the money. Those who prepare green wars, and those countries who are doing doing the preparation for the green war. Green war here, destruction of the forest, destruction of the forest for their development, with war with the gases, and they are doing also the preparations war with gases and with fire. Fire means here missiles. Fire means missiles, and what the use of all these things? We destroy all the forest, and we are using fire gas weapons in the battle. But what the use after the victory? Because after the victory, after the war, there are no survivor to take the enjoy, to make victory, would be put on clean cloth. So the poet asks the people, so leave all these things. Leave all things means leave the greenery war, war with gas, war with fire, and take a new thinking. New cloth here means clean cloth here means a new thinking, new approach, and walk about their brothers. Brothers means here. What the meaning of brother? Brother means here all the person. Here the poet wants universal brotherhood. In the shade doing nothing, all the person should be positive and take rest in the shade of the tree. Shade of the tree, and do positive for the better future. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Life is what it is about. I want no truck with death. If we were not so single minded about keeping our lives moving, and for once could do nothing, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt the sadness of never understanding ourselves and threatening ourselves with death. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Here poet says, don't be confused. Don't be confused when I am saying about total inactivity. Because total inactivity means do good works. Do good works only, do positive. Be positive and don't do negative work. And inactivity means death. Life is what is about. What is the life? Life means activity. Life means activity. So if we want to live, we have to do work. We have to do activity. I want no truck with death. Truck means here associates. I miss poet. Poet says that I don't want I don't want to associate with death. It means that I want positive work. Because if we are not doing the work, it means that we are going to die. If we are not so single minded about keeping our lives moving in our single minded desires. To keep our lives active, we lose sight of our true goals, and in doing so, we reach a stage when we can't understand ourselves or our fellow human beings. Perhaps a huge silence. Perhaps a huge silence here. Poet talks about the sadness, which is the result of not understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. A huge silence. A huge silence can dispel sadness, can remove the sadness when we for one do nothing and to introspect ourselves what is wrong and what is right, then this sadness can be removed. Perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead and later proves to be alive. Here, poet says that we have to learn from the earth. Earth can teach us that when everything seems dead in the winter season, there are no leaves on the trees and there is no grass, but in the spring season there are flowers, there are leaves, and new plants are growing. It means that the earth take rest and do work, begin to work again. So and we realize that earth is alive again. So we have to learn from the earth that everything will be never destroyed. There is a chance, there is a hope. We should take rest and again think about the future for the better tomorrow. Here again, poet again begin to say, now I will count up to 12. Now I am going to count up to 12 in ascending order, and all of us, all the citizens of the world will be silent again. Will be silent. The poem Keeping Quiet is explained in this video. In the next video, I will discuss poetic device. Thank you for watching.